Hey guys, what we have here is a 42-inch Hunter Southern Breeze ceiling fan. This is a new fan we installed in one of my sister's room. This room gets pretty warm during the day, especially during summer, so we thought it'd be nice to have a ceiling fan installed. Now, this isn't one of Hunter's more expensive premium fans, but for what it is, being a sort of a budget-friendly fan, I think it's really good. It looks really good, performs really good, it's quiet, the airflow is pretty good as well, and just overall, been pretty happy with it. We've only had it up for about a week or two, but so far, first impressions have been really good. Alright, so I suppose we can get a close-up of this fan now. I'm just climbing up on this ladder. It's a bit of a tall ceiling here. I've got the Hunter logo. I do like these vents a lot, these narrow vents. They look really good. It's a bit of a contrast to my bay port, which I'll actually show you right now, which is running here. You can see how these are bit of a wide vent spaced apart, so really cool. And they do look actually similar in some ways, you know, white finish and everything, but that's not the point in this video. I'm going back to the Southern Breeze here. All right, and we also have these blade brackets. They do look interesting, bit of a traditional design, not really a pretzel at all, but still a really good design. I like it. It did come with a light kit. It's a pretty traditional looking glass shade 3-light kit. It's got medium base bulbs in there. And this white finish does look really nice. Hunter did a good job with the gloss. Haven't noticed any imperfections on it. It's got their newer style ball and socket mounting system. And these blades are reversible, like on a lot of their fans. This is bleached oak, which is a little different than my Bayport. It's a light oak on that one. Looks really good still. And the other side is just white. So, yeah. Does have 2 chains for speed and light control. Pretty standard stuff. And now we'll take a look at the top, if I can get my camera up there. There's the date code of 23rd week of 2020. It's a brand new fan, literally. And there is the information. Well, here's a better angle of the information sticker. And on this side, we also have the reverse switch. Alright, so let's go and run it. Okay, so we'll start with the light kit. Now, these are the included bulbs that came with the fan. They are LED, and they have good brightness and good color temperature. So, good bulbs out of the box. Okay, so we'll shut the bulbs off and fire up the fan. Here is high. Well, here it is at full speed. It's a pretty good air mover. I don't remember what the exact CFM rating was on the box, which we'll go check out in a minute. But for what it is, it's a very good performer, very quiet. And what's also amazing about this fan, we were quite surprised about it, was that we did not have to balance it at all out of the box. I mean, the blades are all aligned and true. Not a single bit of wobble on it, which is actually really amazing for a modern ceiling fan. Oh, of course. Just as I started doing a close-up shot, the sun goes behind the clouds. Alright, take 2. Alright, we'll step it down to medium. This fan also has a good contrast between the speeds. And last but not least, low speed. It's pretty much silent on low speed. It's got a good slow, low speed, which is something I really like. The Bay port actually goes pretty fast on low, so sometimes it's a bit too fast for my taste. But this one's really nice. It's a nice mellow, slow speed. I don't think it has slowed down all the way, but this is pretty much what it is at low. It does move a good small breeze, but it's definitely not as strong as the Bay port, but obviously it's quieter and slower. Just two happy hunters chugging away on low speed. That's a pretty cool shot. And we'll shut it off and check out the spin down. Not sure how long it's going to be, but we'll see. That's actually a really good spin down time for a brand new fan. You know, usually the bearings have to break in a bit, but this one's actually doing really good out of the box. I'm actually really curious if anybody actually watches the entire spin down time. So if you're watching this, comment down below if you're watching this part. I doubt it though. Most people are probably just going to skip over this part. But if you're still here, don't go yet. I'm going to show you guys the box once the fan stops spinning. Right about Alright, that was actually a pretty good spin that time. Well, here's the box. There's not a whole lot to see, but in case anyone's curious, I'm not going to show you the sides because it's got the shipping label up top here, which I'm going to blur out, but there's the box. Well, here's the bonus content for you guys, if you're still watching. I'm in the workshop right now. It's a complete mess out here, but here's a sneak peek of something I'm restoring right now. If you know what it is, this is an upcoming video eventually, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so that is the Hunter Southern Breeze 42-inch ceiling fan. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.